Hit the booth and get to tripping. I ain't have to write it. She gon' freak me like I'm Cosby. I ain't have to spike it. So that whip.
See if there's any leaks. There's no leaks. Come around on the passenger side. We have my general hoses. They are properly mounted and secured at both ends. No abrasion, bulges, or cuts. They are not leaking. I have my belt-driven alternator. Properly mounted and secured. Not cracked, bent, or broken. All the wires are connected. The belt is not cut or frayed. The free plate is between 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. So around the driver's side. I also have my general hoses. They're properly mounted and secured at both ends. No abrasion, bulges, or cuts. Not leaking. I have my coolant level, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Not leaking, and it's filled to manufacturer specification. I have my belt-driven water pump, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. My belt is not cut or frayed. The free plate is between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch. I have my oil level, which is filled at manufacturer specification. Check with the dipstick. I have my gear-driven air compressor, which is in the back. You can't really see it. It's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking. Next to that, I have my gear-driven power steering pump, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking.
All right.
Here, I have my power steering fluid. It is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking, and it's filled to the manufacturer's specification. Here, I have my power steering and hoses, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, no abrasion, bulges, or cuts to line, not leaking.
So it's a power steering gearbox.
That's it.
You just said power steering. All right, go ahead. Keep going. I ain't mean to stop you.
I have my steering linkage, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. I have my pivot arm, drag link, my tie rod, no missing cotter pins or castle nuts.
Where the other one is?
1, 2, and the third one is back there.
Okay.
I have my spring hanger, properly mounted and secured, front to the rear, not cracked, bent, or broken. I have my leaf spring, properly mounted and secured at both ends, not cracked, bent, or broken. I have my U-bolts, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, none are missing. I have my shock absorber, properly mounted and secured at both ends, not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking. I have my slack adjusting push rod, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. With the brakes released, the push rod should not move more than 1 inch. I have my brake drum. It's properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. I have my brake lining, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Free of any oil and debris. Friction material is not worn dangerously thin. From there, I have my tire, which is properly mounted and secured. No abrasion, bulges, or cuts to the sidewall and tread depth. Tread depth is 4/32 of an inch. Filled to manufacturer specification. Check with an air gauge. I have my rim, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. No unauthorized welds. I have my lug nuts, which are properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. None are missing, and is free of any rust and powder residue indicating loose lug nuts. I have my hub seal or axle seal, which is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Filled to manufacturer specification, not leaking.
All right. Are you done with the engine compartment?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna tell YouTube, y'all tell me what he missed. I know what he missed. I want to see if y'all know. Hey, y'all tell me what he missed.
What I missed?
Ceolilmac checking out. Come on, y'all. Put it in the comments.
You ain't nothing like us. Why you acting like that? Niggas babies, all they missing is they pacifiers. Hit the booth and get to tripping. I ain't had to write.